And of course, we are continuing our team coverage of Hurricane Michael. In now for Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Ashley Gann is meteorologist Sarah Canty.
And believe it or not, there's some good news on the other side of this for Birmingham anyway.
Yeah, we're going to have to deal with some rocky weather in the meantime, though, especially down to our south and along the Gulf Coast. But big changes are on the way by the end of the weekend. Here's a live look right now in Anniston. Look at all that cloud cover. We have a steady stream of tropical air because of Michael that's hurling a lot of this cloud cover up towards our area. Also feeling a few showers back towards our east, towards Clay, Randolph counties, Tallapoosa counties, but no rain from Michael just yet. But the outer bands are starting to near the Gulf Coast. Right now, a Category 3 hurricane, max winds at 120 miles per hour, still moving fairly quickly to the north at 12 miles per hour. The intensity on this storm is just incredible. It continues to intensify. Look at these bright reds wrapping around the eye. This storm is continuing to strengthen, and wind speeds are going to continue to pick up through the evening. Possible this becomes a Category 4 hurricane. Definitely a possibility as it nears the Gulf Coast. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that since we are less than 24 hours away from landfall. Hurricane warnings all along the panhandle of Florida right now. Tropical storm warnings, including South Alabama, the Wiregrass, Dothan area, all the way up through Troy, back through Abbeville, Headland, all included in that tropical storm warning. You can also see this cold front really starting to form and strengthen back to our west. This front has been nearly stationary over the past few days, but it is starting to move. And I'm showing you this because this is what's going to steer Michael away from its northward track. So it's moving very quickly north right now, but this front is going to help to start to curve Michael off to the north and east by the time we hit tomorrow. So here's the latest track from the National Hurricane Center. Really been focused on the Panama City Beach area. Landfall will be just east of Panama City Beach near the Mexico Beach area, in between Panama City and Port St. Joe. Storm surge is going to be felt all along the Big Bend region, and heavy rainfall is going to extend into Georgia through the evening on Wednesday and Thursday, through the Carolinas, and then finally exiting the region and getting off into the Atlantic by the end of the week. So here's the latest model projections. Rainfall really going to pick up by tomorrow morning. Landfall anywhere between 1 and 3 o'clock in between Apalachicola and Panama City Beach. Look at all the heavy rainfall wrapping around this storm towards the eastern side is where we're really going to be focusing our attention for storm surge and heavy rainfall that'll continue through South Alabama. Notice towards our area, Auburn is going to see the heaviest rainfall, but still on the outer fringe of this storm. We also have the cold front moving through our area, so the rainfall we see here in Birmingham likely going to be with that front, not Michael. But the rainfall will continue through Georgia and push off to the north and east through the day on Thursday. So rainfall totals looking anywhere between 7 and 10 inches for the heaviest pockets of rain towards Panama City, up through Dothan, and then through Georgia. Storm surge is going to be a big issue, 3 to 5 feet for some, and then the highest totals will be towards the east of the center of circulation, 10 to 14 feet possible. So the Storm Team 7-day forecast, we will be dealing with this Wednesday night through Thursday morning, clearing out and cooling down by the time we hit Friday into the weekend, feeling like fall with temperatures in the morning. We will wake up to the 50s.